Thursday Noyes Notes 24-hour forecast. Meteorologist Danielle Noyes here for the 1 Degree Outside Weather Network. Clouds will be on the increase over the course of the day today. A few showers and storms will fire up too, mainly in northern and western New England today. And then areas of rain, embedded thunder will sweep through late evening and overnight tonight. It's as the humidity surges into New England and increases. Tomorrow, we may start with some showers early and then breaks of sun come out, and that will be the fuel for another round of some scattered storms for our Friday afternoon and evening. Some of those could be on the stronger side. So it's definitely a little more of an unsettled stretch. That said, not a washout by any means. In fact, much of the day will be dry across southern New England. Temperatures this afternoon climbing into the 80s in many spots, 80 to 85, 75 to 80 right along the immediate south coast to Cape Cod. Wind out of the south, generally about 5 to 15 miles per hour with a few higher gusts. Central New England for us, we're either side of about 80 degrees. And I should mention that the humidity does stay in check for much of the day. It doesn't really increase until this evening and overnight tonight. Northern New England, either side of 80 with some building cumulus clouds, chance of a quick shower or a storm, especially in western New England later on today. Highs in the lower 80s in southern Maine and then cooler the farther north you go. But we're still running like 70 to 75 even in the crown of Maine today. Now, here's the timing on the showers. Notice the clouds increasing and generally an isolated shower this morning to midday, but then 1 to 3 p.m. Some of the showers and embedded thunder expand across central and northern Vermont. You notice come into western New Hampshire. So if you have outdoor plans, I keep an eye to the sky. Notice the farther south and east you go, it's a dry day. Maybe a stray shower in central Massachusetts, northern Connecticut during the mid to late afternoon. Then there's a steadier area of some downpours and thunder that comes out of eastern New York, generally into western New England between about 4 and 6 p.m. and slides east. A couple of these storms could be on the stronger side, particularly in the Berkshires, southern Vermont, perhaps far northwestern Connecticut. But as they slide east, especially after like 8 to 10 p.m., they should weaken. That said, you may wake up to a rumble of thunder overnight tonight and then some pockets of rain or showers left over early tomorrow morning before the sun breaks out and fuels again that other round of storms as a cold front comes in for our Friday afternoon. Overnight tonight, expect lows in the 50s to lower 60s, mid 60s along the south coast, some patchy fog possible there and some low clouds as well. And I do want to show you the dew point because that measures the amount of moisture in the atmosphere and it will rise over the course of the late afternoon, evening, overnight tonight. When it gets up into the 60s, obviously you start to feel that humidity, and that will be the case particularly when you wake up tomorrow morning. You'll feel the difference. It's not like, oh my goodness, soupy tropical air that comes in, but it certainly turns more humid tonight into tomorrow morning. Speaking of humidity, it's very important, of course, the feels like forecast. And we've got the 2-week feels like graph that's included for all of our members, 4 membership levels to choose from to help support our independent mission. We are so grateful for your support. All the details and the membership levels, what they include, are at membership.onedegreeoutside.com.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this 1 Degree Outside video.
Get exclusive content, support the mission at membership.onedegreeoutside.com. And don't forget, free and 5 stars on the App Store and Google Play. Search the #1 Degree Outside Weather.